Wow, Ruth. That is you look like a little vampire.
I do.
Yeah, like you've been drinking a lot of blood. Oh my goodness. Here.
Oh, she.
Okay, let's go in the mirror. Go like this. Go, look. Wow. Scary.
Like a vampire. A little bit. Ew! So much blood. I want a drink.
The blood?
No, I mean, I want to wash all of it out.
The vampire gets a drink of water to wash the blood down. Good job, little vampire. Whoa. Can you do that again?